Now that we've created a test, we can go through it. So we'll use this icon to get into the test phase. Again, you'll see that the options are organized from top to bottom. And the book we want to use is Physics Example. And we'll use this version of it. We'll leave chapters set to all for now. Filter on all, and mode we'll leave on normal. We won't use the timer for the time being. We'll clear out any answers, and we will clear any marks, and we'll start our session. The first question is, what is the charge of an electron? And instead of using the mouse, I'm going to now start using the arrow keys on the keyboard. And the arrow keys, if I hit the right arrow key versus the left arrow key, it allows me to go back and forth between the different parts of the question. So I'll hit the right arrow key, and I see that here are my different potential answers. And to now choose between the different answers, I can use the up and down arrow keys, where the down arrow key moves down between the answers, and the up arrow key, of course, moves back up. And let me go back to the question: what is the charge of an electron? And I think it's negative. So I'm going to hit the space bar to make my selection. And now that I've made that selection, I can again hit the right arrow key to go to the next question. What is the charge of a proton? And hit the right arrow key again. Is it positive, negative, or is it neutral? A proton. Let me go down, and I'm actually this time going to pick neutral. And I hit the space bar to make that selection. And now this is the last question in the test. And if I hit the arrow key again, it brings up my scoreboard. In this case, I see that I got one question correct and I got one incorrect, and none of them were unanswered. I answered all the questions. And I can print this score result if I choose to, or I can move on to the other phases. And that is test phase.